friends, I am back, and I am back with my P.Louise unboxing. This is my, I think this is my September P.Louise box. I will check it out. Let me see which one is this one. This box is so beautiful. They do such beautiful work on these boxes. Let me just put all this stuff to the side. Yeah, they do such beautiful, like, their job, the way they do stuff. Okay, it says the cheek of it. P.Louise, a flirty flush of death, liquid bronzer. Wow, made to shade. Let's see. Okay, this is a liquid bronzer made to shade. So it comes like this. It's pretty dark. So even if it doesn't match me, I can always, that's the good thing that, oh wow, look at the way it comes. It comes in a tube. Nice. And you can just like, love it. Yeah, P.Louise is like, it goes on another level. Sometimes I don't even feel like throwing out her packaging. That's how beautiful it is. But I don't want to keep all these boxes. And then this is the cheek of it. The flirty blush of death. The death. Coconut palm. Let's see. Oh my God. What color is this? The flirty. Why is it coconut palm? Why is it black? Yeah. I will have to check this out because I don't wear these colors. Well, this one, the cheek of it, a flirty flush of depth. Liquid bronzer. Oh, this is a bronzer. This is not a... Yeah, these both are bronzers. See, this one I can get away with, but this one... I will have to, like, this one, give it away because this is too dark. Yeah, this one I will have to give it away. Yeah, this one I will definitely have to give it away. Partner in pink. So let's make a pact. Babe, I'm so glad that you're mine. I'll do anything for you, my partner in crime. Partner in pink. Sculpting primer. Let's see. Oh, I guess she put those colors because it's Halloween. The black ones. Maybe that's why she did that. But I'm not gonna wear those black colors. partner in pink. This is a primer. Sculpting primer. In pink. A pink primer. Okay, so she sent me a pink primer. Oh guys, I'm sorry I haven't been showing you the products. Oh goodness. So she sent me this color in Made to Shade. And it's this is a bronzer. That's the color. It's like a dark, but then the other one is black. And I guess it's because it's Halloween. So this one I'm just gonna leave it in the box. Because if somebody, it's coconut palm. And then this one is Made to Shade. And then this one is the primer, is Partner in Pink, which I don't mind that. Then I love the boxes though. Look at these gorgeous boxes that I'm over here opening it because I'm like awed with all her. The boxes are like so beautiful. And then a palette. We have a palette. But does it come in pink? So something tells me that this palette is in pink. Because it says, but does it come in pink? But look how beautiful. Okay. Oh my goodness. These are all the pink shades that you can ever think of. Like from light to dark. Yeah, all the pink shades that you can ever think of. These are all the dark pinks. All the dark pinks. They look black in the screen, but they're not black. They're dark, dark pinks. Look. If I could put them like that. You see now you can see it. See the dark pinks? Yeah, they're not black. They're like dark pinks. See it? Yeah, these are like all the pinks that you can ever think of. Beautiful pinks. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. It says, I don't choose the pink life. Then the other one says, the best ever. Girl World, Bestie Bestie, Needed, Wednesday. These are all the pink colors. Like, yeah, these are all the pinks that you can ever think of. This is such a beautiful palette, guys. I'm not going to swatch them because I'm like getting tired. I'm tired. I've been recording unboxing boxes, like trying to get rid of all these. And I've like done so many boxes today. And I'm really getting tired, guys. I'm gonna do, let's see how, okay, I'm gonna do another one because I was dying to take this one out because I want to see what it looks like. Oh, sorry. Because now I got bags and that's gonna be some other time during the week or maybe the weekend. But I'm not gonna do anything else today. I'm looking for my slice. Okay, where did I put it? Okay, where did I put my slice? I definitely don't want to throw out my slice by mistake because I've done that before. Almost throw out my slice. You know how many times I've thrown out my slices? I call these slice because they slice. Okay, and this This box is from Alter Ego. This is the new palette that they came out. And this palette is a dupe. Or not a dupe. Let's get not throw those. Let's put this here. This is a new palette. Gorgeous. Oh, I love the way it feels. This palette is replica, a dupe, inspiration. I don't want to say dupe. This palette was inspired by Huda Beauty's okay. Okay, I want you to just see, admire that beautiful Mirage. Beautiful. I never keep the boxes, guys, because I have so much space for my makeup, so, and I take good care of my stuff anyway. So this is this palette was inspired by one of Huda Beauty's beautiful palettes. Okay, I'm gonna let you admire this palette before you guys see what a gorgeous palette. Oh my god. When I saw it, I had to pick it up. These two are creams. Yeah, those two are creams. You can see it. You see the cream? You can see the creams right there because they're shiny. Okay, so this is inspired by one of Huda Beauty's. She did this palette, I think it was a year ago. Was it a year ago that she did this palette? A year or a year and a half ago. When she came out with this palette, oh my god. I want to put it on the top. Okay, now you tell me which one is Huda Beauty and which one is Alter Ego. Okay, so this is an inspired palette from Huda Beauty. And they look exactly the same. Okay. They look exactly the same. The only thing, the positioning of the shades are different, but they are exactly the same, guys. I'm trying not to, so you can see both palettes. But you see it, right? Now, this is the Mirage. Because you see I haven't touched it, I haven't swatched it. But this is such a stunning palette. Okay. And this is the Huda Beauty one. Now, the one that I'm talking about is Empowered palette, right? And that's the inspired palette that it is. You can see the swirl there, and then the two creams are right here. This one is the black cream. The brown cream is here. That's the brown, and that's the black cream, which I've never touched. The only ones that I have used is the gold. I've really never used this palette, put it that way. This is an untouched palette. I love this palette so much. I haven't even touched it. I haven't used this palette yet. Yeah, I haven't used this palette yet. It's so beautiful. And this is the Inspired palette by Alter Ego. You see that one, this is the swervy there, and then this is the one with the indent in the middle like the other one. And then these are the two creams right here. So that is the exact palette. The only thing is that, remember, they cannot position it exactly alike because it's not, they can't. But this is the Empowered palette. The inspiration of the Empowered palette by Alter Ego. And it's called the Mirage. So if you haven't purchased the Empowered palette, you can pick this one up at Alter Ego, and it's gonna look the same thing. Believe me, guys, whatever Alter Ego does, it is the same thing, same formula, same thing, because they do great shadows. And then I'm gonna put a code in the description box below that you can get a 10% off any palette that you get. You get a 10% discount. Okay, so I'm gonna leave this video here. You have a beautiful, blessed night. Have a safe one, and I'll see you in my next video. God bless you all. See you soon. Bye bye.